When do I buy my term insurance? This is what the question most of my clients ask me. This video is for those who would like to increase your term insurance but at the same point of time wonder what is the best time for you to increase your insurance coverage. Let's dive deep into it. But for those who do not know me, my name is Amit Kothari and I have been there in this financial planning industry since last 19 years and I have helped more than 3000 plus clients. In this video, we will describe the reason of you buying a term insurance policy and increasing it. Let's dive deep. Get ready. So the first reason to buy an insurance plan is when you start earning, you have already started creating your own value. And that is what we call as human life value. You are paid a certain salary based on your ability. Thereby, you have started contributing some amount to your family. That means that this value to which you are going to create capital your family, that becomes your human life value. So what is generally the standard formula is, suppose my package is 5 lakh rupees. So minimum 10 times of it, that becomes 50 lakhs should be my starting cover. So that's the first level that you should think of going for a first insurance plan. Now the second major reason is when you get married. That means that you have now another responsibility which is added to your bucket, right? Your family is completely dependent on you. Your spouse is dependent on you. Now, some may have that today's point of time, my wife is also working. That's right, my dear friend. But over a period of time, it becomes our responsibility that there should be a backup plan for the family in case of our absence. So how much does that really work out to be? The formula remains the same. Today, you have a certain kind of an fixed home expenses, right? So if you have certain kind of home expenses, assuming it that you have an expense of say 50,000 rupees per month, that means there should be a minimum coverage to that tune that my family receives an X value, assuming there is a 6% rate of interest which is there, and if the family gets 1 crore rupees, and if the spouse can keep this 1 crore in bank FD and you just get 6% rate of interest, that means annually you may be in a position to generate 6 lakh rupees, which works out to be 50,000 rupees that can compensate the kind of expenses, and there would be no burden or a compromise in lifestyle in case of your absence. So this is the second reason why you should take care when you get married. The third basic reason is when you are blessed with a child. Now you are a proud parent. So now the responsibility have increased not only for household expenses but also for the career of the child, isn't it? Remember, it's basically the blessing of the parents through which kids will grow. Now finance acts as one of the integral part whereas the education of child is concerned. So as a parent, it's our responsibility that whether we are there or we are not there, the education is not getting hampered at any kind of an case. So assuming that you want the kid to grow in a fantastic education, maybe international education, the cost of education can also be incorporated. So you can realize, the moment you start increasing your income, at the same point of time, when you start increasing your responsibility, your insurance coverage should match to the both. Correct? So this is the point number 3. Now point number 4 is when you grow in life, the aims and ambitions are also there. You will buy your own house or maybe you buy a car. You may have a liability. So in case the liability to the tune of liability, apart from my home expenses, apart from my child education expenses, now there is a loan liability which needs to get compensated if God forbid something happens. Now I know most of the people, they tell me, Amit, why do most of the advisors says that God forbid something happens? My dear friend, something is going to happen, that is for definite. We do not know when it is going to happen, right? So for that we have a backup plan. We have backup plan for almost everything. When we go for a long drive, we know that our car stepney is appropriate. The car has been serviced well, because we want to see that our family is taken care of in any circumstances. So as and when we grow, nobody was aware that COVID would hit to the families in such a big way. But it did, right? There's no reason why we cannot think about uncertainties. Now, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. Most of the time people tell me ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है, पर जब कुछ होता है तो अपने हाथ में कुछ होता नहीं. And that is, my dear friend, I would like you to just look at it, that if God forbid something happens, then also our family is well protected. There should be no such kind of a situation where our family comes to a lurch. So the liability, as it increases, we need to protect the liability also. And the fifth reason is, everybody has its own different reason, but suppose you are the main breadwinner of the family, and if you have dependent parents where their healths are into a very big question mark. At that point of time, of course, we have taken care for our family, but now to take care of parents, and God forbid something happens during our active income earning period, there is a backup plan which can take care of the dependents' health illnesses also. So the moment you see that you are a responsible person from all the angles, you are a responsible professional. So when you work, you see that you actually cover up all the kind of responsibility required as a job profile. So family also is one of our responsibilities, and when you are growing, you will definitely think of protecting to the best possible way. Now, in case that you want any kind of guidance, please click the link below in the description, where I will be more than happy to guide you the different types of policies which are available to you. At the same point of time, what suits out to the best, and of course with all the kind of facilities and all the kind of benefits that's available to your planning. My major intention is to help you to get the best and the best of the plans and lifetime servicing. See you in the other videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye. God bless.